An accountability court on Sunday has approved 8-day physical remand for Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI founder and former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi in a fresh draft reference. The order comes less than a day after the PTI founder and his wife were acquitted in the iddat or illegal marriage case. But their hopes of coming out of prison were dampened as the National Accountability Bureau arrested them in a new Toshakhana reference. However, soon after the verdict overturning their conviction, a term of the anti-corruption watchdog headed by Deputy Director Mohsin Haroon arrested the couple in the Adiala jail in the new reference related to alleged misuse of power of acquiring Toshakhana gifts.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।